Hi, my name is Trinity. ABC from A to Z.
A is
Come
for
rap
alligator.
and learn along with me.
A. A is for alligator stepping in the swamp. Big sharp teeth going chomp chomp chomp. B is for bear sleeping in the cave. This is snoring so loud while he waves and waves. C is for cheetah running super fast, zooming through the jungle, speeding past. D is for dolphin splashing in the sea, jumping up high so happily. E is for elephant stomping with pride, swinging its trunk side to side. F is for frog jumping on a log, ribbit ribbit in the fog. G is for giraffe stretching way up high, reaching tall trees in the sky. H is for hippo splashing in mud, dancing and stomping off the blood. I is for iguana laying in the sun, chilling all day, having fun. J is for jellyfish floating in the blue, wiggle 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 right by you. K is for kangaroo bouncing around, jumping so high off the ground. L is for lion roaring loud and proud, roar so big it shakes the crowd. M is for monkey swinging in a tree, laughing and clapping happily. N is for narwhal swimming with a horn, diving through the ocean at dawn. O is for owl awake at night, flying through the moon so bright. P is for penguin sliding on ice and waddling around looking nice. Q is for quail running through the grass, tiny little feet moving fast. R is for rabbit hopping all day, wiggly nose while it plays. S is for shark swimming in the sea, swish 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 so sneakily. T is for tiger prowling through the night, orange stripes looking bright. U is for urchin under the sea, spiky little creature waving at me. V is for vulture soaring up high, three key gliding through the windy sky. W is for whale splashing its tail, making giant waves on the trail. X is for x-ray fish glowing in the dark, swimming it down like a spark. Y is for yak climbing through snow, big fluffy fur everywhere it goes. Z is for zebra running wild and free, black and white stripes for everyone to see.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.